What's up, YouTube? Chidi here, back at it again. And good morning. And I woke up like this. Effect muna tayo. Dahil meron na naman tayong critical na update na ngayon ko lang nabasa. Kaagising ko lang dahil guys, anong oras na ako natulog kagabi? Meron na naman tayong nirelease ng this oras ng gabi. Alas 2 pasado na yata yun yung Rocket Venture naman na update nila. Anyway, today guys, PVU, may bagong update. May bago na naman kayong dapat malaman. Kung sakali man na nagbabalak pa rin kayong maglabas ng LE to PVU, pag-isipan pa ninyo ulit kung worth it pa bang ilabas yon or kung talagang dapat i-hold na lang muna natin to. Okay? Guys, it's Friday today, October 1. First live session namin with CPD, Friday Madness live sessions with Dalarin TV, Professor T-Rex, and myself, Chino De Dios. See you later, 8 p.m. Okay, so wag kayong mawawala. We have a raffle, a grand raffle worth 185,000 pesos. Palagi ko, tumaas na naman yata ang presyo. So, let's keep it at that, 185,000 pesos. Good luck to each and everybody. We hope to see you later. So, mechanics naman, kung magtatanong kayo, first mechanic, guys. Be a subscriber of Chino De Dios, Dalarin TV, and Professor T-Rex. And then, later, share nyo lang din muna yung live sessions natin pag nandun na kayo. And then, we will give you the further mechanics habang nandun tayo. Okay? We will see you there. If you're new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, click that bell, set that to all. That way, will always be notified with anything, everything, NFTs, announcements like this, and updates. Check my channel. There are a lot of game reviews that I did. Maybe meron kayong map na titipuhan or something like that. Do your own research pa din to make sure na alam niyo yung pinapasok niyo. Okay? So without further ado, guys, let's get it on. Intro! Okay guys, so ito na, nasa na tayo, nasa Discord server nila and makikita ninyo agad. Ayan guys, so. Okay, galing kay Jiang Min. So sabi, the rate of LEPVU is going to increase from 500 is to 1 to 550 LE is equivalent to 1 PVU. Effective 0-100 hour UTC October 1st, 2021. So, mukhang kaninang alas 8 ng umaga, nag-implement na yung yung 550 is to 1. I-check natin sa PVU kung anong nangyari. Then, meron lang din silang in-announce dito. Total PVU gain from market fee 2% September 230,000 PVU. Since we want to maintain the stability of PVU token, only 40% of those will be sold on Pancake. The rest will go to Treasury for future rewards. We just swapped 50,000 PVU on Pancake. PVU sold on October is 50,000 PVU. Okay, so yan yung mga announcements ni PVU. Check natin si mismong site ng ng PVU para makita ninyo. Yan. Makikita ninyo yung mga mga plants ko. Kaka-harvest ko lang. Mamaya ako na sa mamaya ako na papalitan kasi papalitan ko na yan. Ito. Palitan ko na uli ng mga iba pang mga sunflower. Okay. Click natin to. Ayan na, guys. Tadan! Tan 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 tan. So guys, 550 LE is equivalent to 1 PVU. Okay, take note. So yun yung bagong bagong announcements. Sa naman, dito naman sa contribution, mukhang hindi natin inabot yung yung contribution kahapon. So mag-contribute muna tayo diyan. Claim. 57 million na pala yung guys, oh. 57 million yung Sunbox. Tignan natin yung reward niyan. Uy! Jackpot tayo doon guys. So, 200 LE yan. Yung mama. Okay, so successful. Okay, so hindi ko napapakita sa inyo guys yung yung pag-replant ng mga plants natin dito. Mama, saplings. Kahapon, actually kagabi, Kasi medyo mahaba yung maintenance na ginawa niya at silip ako ng silip diyan, eh. Wala naman silang sinasabing update kagabi. Tapos kaninang umaga, yun nga, 7:30 AM, tiniming nila talaga na tulog pa ako para hindi ko daw mai-announce agad. Joke lang, joke lang. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. Again, CPD Friday Madness live sessions every Friday, 8 p.m. We will see you there. Join the raffle. Good luck to you. If you are new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, click that bell, set that to all. That way you'll always be notified with anything and everything NFT, guys. And click the bell. Ang pinapaklik ko yung bell na yan, guys, para katulad niyan, pag nag-live sessions kami, magno-notify sa inyo and isang click lang, dadali na agad kayo dun sa live session para hindi kayo nahuhuli or naghahanap pa nasan yung live ni Chino, malapit na yung raffle and everything like that. Okay? Make sure to click that bell button. Okay? And ano pa ba? Meron tayong i-upload. Guys, watch out, stay tuned. I-upload ko na yung Farmers World na latest na update ko. Pinakita ko doon yung earnings and yung investment diniscuss ko doon in detail. Baka makatulong sa pagre-research ninyo and pag-check kung feasible ba, good ba pumasok dyan, guys, coffee. And ayun, kita-kita tayo mamaya, guys. Okay? So, that's it for me. I'm out. Peace!